End to suffering from skin issues such as rosacea and eczema with natural supplements and ointments. Introduction. Are you tired of dealing with stubborn skin issues like rosacea and eczema? These conditions can be frustrating to deal with, especially when traditional treatments fail to provide relief. But don't lose hope just yet. There are natural supplements and ointments that can help soothe and heal your skin. In this blog post, we'll explore the causes of these skin issues, as well as the best natural remedies to treat them. Say goodbye to redness, inflammation, and irritation for good. Read on to discover how. What is rosacea? Rosacea is a chronic skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It's characterized by redness, flushing, and sometimes acne like bumps on the face. Rosacea usually starts after age 30 and can worsen over time if left untreated. Although there is no known cure for rosacea, it can be managed with various treatments. However, it's important to note that the triggers for rosacea vary from person to person, and identifying them can help in managing the symptoms effectively. Experts believe that genetics may play a role in developing this skin condition. Other factors like environmental changes such as sun exposure or extreme temperatures may also trigger flare-ups. If you suspect you have rosacea or are experiencing any of its symptoms, seek advice from your dermatologist, who will offer an accurate diagnosis and recommend treatment options tailored specifically for your case. What causes skin issues like rosacea and eczema? Skin issues like rosacea and eczema can be frustrating to deal with, but what causes these conditions? There are several factors that can contribute to the development of skin issues. One major factor is genetics. People who have a family history of rosacea or eczema are more likely to develop these conditions themselves. Additionally, people with sensitive skin may be more prone to developing skin problems. Environmental factors also play a role in the development of skin issues. Exposure to harsh chemicals, pollution, and extreme weather conditions can all irritate the skin and lead to problems like redness, itching, and inflammation. Stress is another common trigger for both rosacea and eczema. When we're stressed out, our bodies release hormones that can cause inflammation throughout the body, including on the skin. Diet may also impact your risk for developing certain types of skin issues. For example, some research suggests that consuming too much sugar or dairy products could exacerbate acne-prone skin. It's important to remember that everyone's experience with rosacea or eczema will be different based on their unique combination of factors involved in causing their condition. By identifying potential triggers and working with a healthcare professional or dermatologist about treatment options such as natural supplements and ointments, you can manage symptoms effectively over time. Natural supplements for rosacea. Rosacea is a skin condition that causes redness, swelling, and bumps on the face. While there are prescribed medications available to treat it, natural supplements can also be effective in reducing symptoms. One supplement that has shown promising results for rosacea sufferers is omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and inflammation associated with rosacea. Probiotics are another supplement worth considering for those with rosacea. Studies have shown that probiotics can improve gut health, which in turn may lead to healthier skin. Additionally, probiotics have been found to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Zinc is yet another supplement known for its anti-inflammatory effects. It helps boost the immune system while also protecting against oxidative stress, both of which contribute to healthy skin. While natural supplements like these can be beneficial in treating rosacea, it's important to remember they should not replace prescribed medication without consulting your doctor first. Natural ointments for eczema. Eczema can be a challenging skin condition to deal with, but there are natural ointments that can help alleviate its symptoms. These ointments are made from plant-based ingredients and do not contain harsh chemicals or steroids. One popular natural ingredient in eczema ointments is chamomile, which has anti-inflammatory properties. It can soothe redness and irritation while also promoting healing of the skin. Another effective ingredient is calendula, which has been used for centuries as a remedy for various skin conditions. Calendula helps to hydrate the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote cell regeneration. Coconut oil is another great option due to its moisturizing properties. It contains lauric acid, which acts as an antibacterial agent and reduces inflammation on the surface of the skin. Other beneficial ingredients include shea butter, vitamin E oil, and aloe vera gel, all of which work together to provide relief for dryness and itching associated with eczema. When choosing an eczema ointment, it's important to look out for products that contain these natural ingredients. Always read labels carefully before applying anything onto your sensitive skin. How to treat skin issues with natural supplements and ointments. If you suffer from skin issues like rosacea and eczema, you know how frustrating it can be to find effective treatments. Many traditional medications can come with unwanted side effects or simply don't work for everyone. That's where natural supplements and ointments come in. Natural supplements such as omega-3 fatty acids, probiotics, vitamin D, and turmeric have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which is often a contributing factor to skin issues. These supplements can be taken orally or used topically depending on the specific condition being treated. Natural ointments made from ingredients like beeswax, coconut oil, shea butter, and tea tree oil are great alternatives to traditional steroid creams that may cause thinning of the skin over time. Ointments containing these ingredients soothe inflamed skin while also moisturizing it so that it doesn't become dry or irritated. When treating your skin issues with natural supplements and ointments, it's important to keep in mind that results may not be instantaneous. It might take some time before you see significant improvements, but stick with it as they tend to produce long-term benefits without any harmful side effects. Additionally, always make sure that any supplement or ointment used is safe for you by consulting a healthcare professional first, especially if taking other medications concurrently, since there could potentially be interactions between certain drugs, supplements. Incorporating natural remedies into your skincare routine has many advantages, including fewer side effects than using prescription medication, making them an excellent alternative treatment option for those suffering from rosacea or eczema. The best natural supplements for treating rosacea and eczema. When it comes to treating skin issues like rosacea and eczema, natural supplements can be a great addition to your skincare routine. Here are some of the best natural supplements that have been shown to improve these conditions. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats found in fish oil, flax seeds, and chia seeds have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and swelling associated with rosacea and eczema. 2. Probiotics. These beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods like yogurt or kombucha can help regulate the immune system and reduce inflammation in the body. 3. Vitamin D. Adequate levels of vitamin D may help prevent flare-ups of both rosacea and eczema, as it plays an essential role in immune function. 4. Zinc. This mineral has antioxidant properties that protect against free radical damage, which is known to exacerbate skin conditions such as rosacea and eczema. 5. Turmeric. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory effects, turmeric contains curcumin, which helps alleviate itching, pain, redness caused by skin issues. Remember, before taking any supplement, make sure you consult with your healthcare practitioner first. The best natural ointments for treating rosacea and eczema. When it comes to treating skin issues like rosacea and eczema, natural ointments can be incredibly effective. These ointments are made with natural ingredients that work together to soothe inflammation, reduce redness, and hydrate the skin. One of the best natural ointments for treating rosacea is chamomile cream. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that help calm irritated skin. This cream can also help reduce redness and swelling associated with rosacea. Another great option for treating eczema is coconut oil. Coconut oil is a powerful moisturizer that helps repair damaged skin barrier function in people suffering from eczema. It's also rich in lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties that may help prevent infection on broken or inflamed areas of the skin. Tea tree oil is another popular ingredient used in many natural remedies for various types of skin conditions, including rosacea and eczema. Tea tree oil has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it perfect for soothing irritated and inflamed skin. Other effective natural ointments include shea butter, calendula cream, aloe vera gel, colloidal oatmeal-based creams, and emollients such as sunflower seed oil. If you're looking to treat your rosacea or eczema naturally without resorting to harsh chemicals found in over-the-counter products, then using some of these best-rated natural options could be worth trying out. How to prevent skin issues like rosacea and eczema. Prevention is always better than cure, and this holds true for skin issues like rosacea and eczema. While it may not be possible to completely prevent these conditions, there are some steps you can take to reduce your risk of developing them. One of the most important things you can do is protect your skin from harsh weather conditions. This includes using sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun's harmful rays, as well as wearing protective clothing when it's hot or cold outside. Another key step in preventing skin issues like rosacea and eczema is staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin moisturized and healthy, which in turn reduces your risk of developing dryness-related conditions. If you already have a history of these types of skin issues, it's also important to avoid triggers that can make them worse. For example, if certain foods tend to trigger flare-ups for you, Try cutting those out of your diet or eating them in moderation. In addition to taking these preventive measures at home, don't forget about visiting a dermatologist regularly. These professionals can help identify potential triggers for your specific condition and provide customized advice on how best to manage it over time. Conclusion. Skin issues like rosacea and eczema can be frustrating and uncomfortable. However, there are natural supplements and ointments available that can alleviate symptoms without the harsh side effects of prescription drugs. It's important to remember that everyone's skin is unique, so finding the right combination of supplements and ointments may take some trial and error. Additionally, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen or applying any new topical products. By incorporating natural options into your skincare routine, you'll not only see improvements in your skin but also enjoy peace of mind knowing that you're using safe, effective treatments. So why not give these natural remedies a try? Your skin will thank you for it.